So a couple of years ago, I designed a step in a research paper for my students where they would hand in a full draft before the final paper because I wanted to give them some extensive feedback. And usually when I read their full papers, I have many more ideas as to how to fix their language or talk to them about their structure and things like this. And what I wanted students to do with this, this draft was to get this extensive feedback, work on it, improve the areas that needed to be improved upon, and then resubmit it so that they could get a higher grade. Unfortunately, I didn't anticipate that many of my students had worked out sort of what their bottom line score was to pass the course, and they didn't actually need to use a lot of the feedback in order to get a much higher grade in order to pass the course. As a result, it did in fact turn into kind of more summative than I had planned. So while I learned that didn't quite work out for the return on investment from both my part and the student's part, I did learn that there are many things that I need to anticipate when I design an assignment that I hadn't thought of before, and things don't always work out as planned, and that's okay. You know, the students ended up writing papers that were more or less fine in the end, but it made me really think about how to design a better assignment for next year.